place. Is this where Phil tried to bring you back? Where you broke ascension? Won't be easy. No Angelic has ever reopened an ascension point.
What shall I do?
Just concentrate.
It's Neil.
Give me that.
No, I'm waiting on a call from Anna. Just tell me when she's got out of town.
She's not important right now. Nor your mum, nor time, nor your life. Do you have any idea what's going on here? You need to be pure, you need to be selfless, you need to be free from distractions. Now, you may be all of those things, but I'm not sure you're ready.
That's what Neil kept telling me. I'm not ready.
Well, he wasn't wrong about everything, was he? Shit!
No. Wait. Don't come any closer!
Oh, look.
What did I do?
It's working. The ascension point is beginning to open.
Mike was right. This thing, it does have more than one use. I'm an Angelic Swiss Army knife.
Try again. It'll be buried very deep, so direct your power to the center of it.